We are awaiting the result of the Fed meeting of July 26 and 27. So at 2 p.m. Eastern time, you'll get the result of this decision of the Federal Reserve. 75 basis points is what the consensus estimate is, that the Fed, they may not want to rock the markets. They can go for an overkill of 100 basis points, but looks difficult because they may be trying to front load, but then that may show that that now they're getting desperate. Okay, it's not going to be a nice message for the markets. So the Federal Reserve may try and avoid 100 basis points. As far as I can see, they will stick with 75 basis points hike in interest rates. Shows the seriousness of the Federal Reserve, and I think it should be applauded by the markets. As far as I can see, markets should take it positively. Okay, there may be a little fall when Jay Powell starts speaking at a press conference around the time, but generally I think, as far as I can see, if this trajectory of 75 is followed, and all depends also on the commentary, but I think 75 should be received well. Let's see how it goes. But I think more important than even these numbers is now the GDP numbers coming out tomorrow. As you may be knowing, or even if you don't, then the statistics may be of importance, that the first quarter GDP was negative. Since the World War II, there have been 10 instances where there have been 2 quarters of declining GDP, which have translated into a recession. So already 1 quarter US has got a negative GDP, and this, I think probably the GDP numbers coming out tomorrow may be even more important than today's Fed interest rate hike decision. So those numbers, I presume, would be before the market opens. And to get more detailed analysis as to how the markets, I believe, will anticipate the US GDP numbers, which I think this figure is more important than today's Fed interest rate announcement. So please do join my Prime or Prime Plus groups, where you can get more detailed analysis of what the expectations are for tomorrow, day after. I think the GDP numbers that effect will be there for many days to come. So I think it's a more crucial statistic that you may want to take into consideration. It's not only for the US markets, but also for global stock markets. And therefore, I think this number will be very, very crucial. So if you are invested in the Indian markets, please do join my Premium Plus or Premium Elite. And for the US markets, do join Prime or Prime Plus, and look forward to talking with you soon again. The number to get in touch, WhatsApp number is 982-086-1044. You can also email at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. It is globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. So 10 times you have found that 2 consecutive quarters of declining GDP since World War II, and all of them have translated into a recession. So tomorrow's GDP numbers, very crucial, friends. Look forward to talking with you soon again. Looks like a good day today, positive on the whole, and tomorrow may be yet another day. To get my estimate, my analysis, please do join Prime Plus. Happy investing. Have a nice investing day. Take care. Bye-bye.